we are now in Port Adelaide train station. Hintay muna tayo ng train. Walang kataw-tao. Bye-bye! Here we are now. The train is coming. It's to Adelaide Metro. Let's go inside. This is
Stand clear. Doors closing.
Is this working, sir?
I don't think so.
Is there any other machine?
But that's one of the machines you use. I think it's right. If the screen's on there.
There's no screen.
Yeah, it's not working.
I-
You can always purchase. Are you going into the city?
Yeah?
Yeah, if you're going into the city,
Yes,
at
I'm-
the train station, you purchase a ticket anyway.
Okay, I can purchase there.
At the train station,
Yeah.
yeah. So just wait till then.
Thank you very much, sir.
No worries.
Hintay muna tayo. O, hindi tayo nakabili ng ticket. Hindi na tayo. Nasiraan. Doon na lang tayo bibili sa Adelaide City. Pag baba natin, may ticketing doon. Iba yung sistema dito pagsakay sa train. Hello and good evening again. Nandito na tayo sa Adelaide City. Stop na. First time natin mag-Adelaide. Solo flight. Hintay lang tayo na dumating tayo sa station. Dito lahat ng mga railway station sa iba-ibang parte ng Adelaide, mag-abot lahat dito. Ito ng mga release. Iba-ibang destination yan. Ayan, papunta din sa Adelaide City lahat. Dito magkita-kita lahat. Ayan, isang station lang. Saan ka pupunta? Lapit-lapit lang. Here we are. City station na pero parang nagkatao-tao. Mingaw na. Here we are. Ito ang mga relays. May mga building na. Ngayon, magtatanong tayo kung saan tayo bababa at saan tayo pupunta. Yan, mga release yan na iba-ibang mga destination. Wait lang tayo muna.
Now arriving at Adelaide. This train will terminate here.
Dapat ay bababa ka kukuha ng ticket kasi may kalagay silang sticker din na evasion is a crime. Delikado din, wanted tayo dito. Honesty is the best policy pala dito. Ito na. Malapit na na. And here we are. We will wait. Ngayon, bababa na. Go! We will find the ticketing station. Ito. City na. Sir, excuse me sir, where can I get a ticket? I did not get a ticket because the ticket station there is
There's a
broken.
ticket machine just down. So you can either jump on a train, see those,
No.
that yellow thing, that yellow box.
Yeah.
You can get a ticket on that, or you can go down by the information centre and get a ticket there.
Thank you very much sir. Ayan no, sira yung mga ticketing. Pupunta na lang tayo sa information center. May isa din na hahapon tayo sa isang train, baka tatakbo na naman. Delikado. Ito tayo. Ito maraming mga waiting dito, mga nakapark na mga station. Train station. And here we are. Where's the entrance? Sir, excuse me sir, where is the information center? I will get a ticket because I don't have a ticket in
Go see the people at the very far end.
there.
Yes, and they'll help you.
Thank you very much. Kukuha na tayo ng ticket. Hindi tayo makalabas ng mga station. Sir, excuse me sir. I don't have a ticket. Where can I get? That ticket booth in the train is broken.
You can walk to the another train,
Yeah?
get a ticket. If not, then are you going in or are you going out?
I'm going in the city. Yeah, out.
Okay. My colleague can help you to buy a ticket from here.
Yeah.
And you can validate here.
Yeah.
Right?
You can? I'll
You
just
help him to buy a ticket and validate.
I'll just accompany him. Thank you very much, sir.
So you're just a regular?
Yeah, regular ticket, sir. Because the ticket there is broken in the train station.
Cash card?
Yeah, cash.
Cash. Just in there for me, please.
Oops. 620. All good?
And what we do is
Ticket. Kakuha na tayo ng ticket, $6.20.
there we go, all validated. All
Thank
good.
you very much, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And nakakuha na tayo ng ticket. Hindi na tayo kuha na baka umuslit tayo sa Adelaide City Station. Kalabas na tayo at kita-kits na naman kung saan tayo mapunta ngayon. Thank you.